Hi guys, James here, and as always, a huge welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to do a very quick update to let you know I finally have Wi-Fi in the apartment. So we're going to be back to our regular weekly videos, a few a week. I'm going to find a great spot to set up the camera, and I'm going to be able to, more importantly, upload those videos. So coming off the back of our Q&A session, just a huge thank you to all the comments I've had over the first couple of months. I'm going to do a few more of those Q&A videos as we get more of a following. And on that note, 49 subscribers, guys. So we're not doing too bad. We're nearly up to 50. So let's hope in the next few days I go beyond that and we keep on going. But for me, it's just nice to know that the interest is there for all the content I put out so far. There has been some great feedback. So thank you guys. Also, I'd like to just give you a beard update. So as you can see, I've once again just let it grow for an extra few days and happy to report this patch here almost completely gone, which I didn't really notice till I could see on camera here through this camera. It's really disappearing, guys. So it is really just a reminder, whatever stage you're at with this thing, it does get better. I'm living proof of that. I'm getting some kind of shape back to my beard now. And of course, I'm going to keep you updated on the progress of that. So going forward, we'll just see how that goes. But stay tuned, and more videos coming this week. So take care. Have a good night.